Good morning students. Today we discuss about the salinity of the ocean. What do you mean by salinity? That is salty taste, salinity means. So from this point we can understand, did you take the food without the salt? No. Why? Because we want the taste. How we can get the taste? To add the salt. Where we get the salt? From the oceans. So from the history we can understanding one movement is also started against the salt taxes. In our independent movement systems, we can observe from the histories, Dandi March, that is called Salt Satyagraha, from the part of the Mahatma Gandhiji. He started against the taxes on the salt, against the British government's laws. He started this movement. It is one of the greatest movement in Indian freedom movement. Okay, such type of a great Dandi March also on the against of the salt tax basis. Now, did you ever to wonder who can see the oceans are filled with water? Actually, we can see in our surrounding areas so many water systems we have, such as rivers, lakes, or tank irrigations are there. From this part, these water have any saltness? Can you test any saltiness in your drinking water? No. Why? Because there is no any saltiness. We are not feeling it that is. So, how much of water having to you feel that saltiness? That we can calculate it in the part per 1000. We can discuss it in the quantities. Now, see there. Did you ever wonder why the oceans are filled with the salt? Only ocean and water having the saltness. Previously we discussed one of the water in our villages or in our towns surrounding areas, water having the we are drinking, we are never to feel any taste of the saltiness. Why? Because there is no salt. Because we are not feeling that level of the saltness. That salt is not there. But in ocean water, when you feel it is. What the reason we have to see here? We can observe. Did you wonder why because of the oceans filled with the salt instead of the fresh water? Million of years we understand in the rivers or flows to oceans. Rivers, lakes, canals and streams all are flowing to streams to joining in the oceans. So these oceans has million of years rains are rained on the rocks. They are take the along with the water, the minerals and the volcano eruptions and sometimes the earthquakes. These are sometimes bring out of these metals come to bring out, they are joining and in the ocean water. So you can make sodium chloride is a common salt that is called table salt of the word it is. Some of the salt in the ocean come under the sea volcanoes and hydrothermal veins. When the water evaporates the surface of the ocean, the salt are left behind. After million of years, the ocean developed the noticeable of the salty water. Now you know very well, the ocean has greatest sources for the salt. So that's why, how can we use this term? For a PPT, that is a part per 1000. Suppose we have take the 1000 grams of the water in the salt water or ocean water. 13% of the salt grams of the salt is having that is called saltinity. That is the word of definition. What is the meaning of the saltinity? Every 1000 of part of every 1000 of grams of water having the 35 part of the sodium is there, called salinity. Every 1000 grams of sea water, it is usually expressed as the part of the PPT, part of the 1000. Generally speaking, the average salinity because the ocean is 35% or 35 part of the salt in the every 1000 part of the ocean water. All the sea water containing a large amount of dissolved minerals matter, which is the sodium chloride, as called as a common table salt. It has 77.8%. We know very well that the water rivers also having the salinity, but it is only 2%. That's why we never to feel it is. But in the ocean it is a 35%. That's why it is a much part than any other comparison. So what are the causes of this of the effect factoring of the salinities? One is evaporation and precipitation, first cause. Second one, the coastal region of the fresh water also flow and joining into the oceans always. That's why there is a saltiness very low. Where the water bodies is not joining into the oceans, there is the ocean have the heavy saltiness because water always evaporated. Remaining minerals parts are left in the ocean. That's why the saltiness is increased. Winds by transferring is also another cause. Fourth cause is ocean currents. You know very well, ocean has a two type of. Suppose on the earth we can observe equatorial area warm currents are there, north pole and south pole. These are cold warm currents, cold currents. Here warm current, here cold currents. And the rotation of the earth. Earth has a two type of revolution, you know very well. From west to east it is done. So west to east when they revolve the earth, these water is also joined. From north pole, see here, north pole, these direction water formed. Means warm water goes to cold current goes to warm current. Again now, this part, like this, it is a, basically when we can observe the direction has a joining into the water like in manner. So that's why the reason where we can see highest salinity water bodies on the earth. First Lake Van in Turkey, it is a 330%. Second one, Dead Sea in Israel, that is the 238% of the saltiness having. Third one is the greatest salt lake in America, that is called USA, 220% we can observe. So where the salinity, lowest salinity water bodies are there, that is a Baltic Sea in it is having just 3.15%. Same in manner Hudson Bay, it is also 3.15%. What are the reason is these two seas having less salinity. Why these are heavy salinity? Because these are lies nearly north pole direction. Here glaciers are there, north pole glaciers. So many rivers, freshwater lakes are there here. They are always joining the water in the Baltic Sea and Hudson Bay. Hudson Bay lies between America and Canada. Between the Canada to America, we can observe the Hudson Bay. Here, Baltic Sea, you can observe Norway to Finland within part. Northern part, so many northern ports area, so many rivers are joining in the Baltic Sea. That's why less salinity we can observe. Now, isohaline means what are the meaning of isohaline? What are the common saltiness places joining the lines name is called isohaline lines. Okay, this is the today lesson. Tomorrow remaining part I will explain. Right.